Is Photoshop acting up and you're ready to throw your computer out the window? Don't worry, today I'll show you how to reset Photoshop to its default settings and get it running smoothly again. There are a couple of ways to do this, so let's dive right in, starting with the quickest method. First, close Photoshop completely now, relaunch the application. As Photoshop starts to load, immediately hold down the Shift, Ctrl, and Alt keys on Windows, or Shift, Command, and Option keys on Mac. Keep holding them down until you see a dialog box pop up asking if you want to delete the Adobe Photoshop settings file. Click Yes. This is the fastest way to revert Photoshop to its original settings. If the keyboard shortcut didn't work, or you prefer a more controlled approach, you can reset preferences from within Photoshop itself. Open Photoshop and go to the Edit menu, then select Preferences. Within the Preferences menu, find the General tab. It's usually the first one here. You'll see a button labeled Reset Preferences on. Quit. Check the box next to it. Now, close and restart Photoshop. A similar dialog box will appear upon relaunch asking if you want to delete the Adobe Photoshop settings file again. Click Yes. And there you have it. Photoshop is now reset to its default settings. This can often resolve unexpected errors and improve performance. If this helped you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any other Photoshop questions. Thanks for watching.